Hello, this is my Mafia by Kush free overlook review, I guess, bike check. If I'll just focus. Apparently he doesn't want to. There we go. I have the crawler, well, Lagos crawler tyres, Gumball tyres. Sorry, it's not focusing, I don't know what's happened there. I have the stem, the Mafiabikes are from stem. I also have the, I'm trying to zoom out here, apparently it doesn't want to. There we go. I have the front, front load Mafiabike stem. It does slip, I'm replacing it. The bars, Mafiabike bars, the stock brake lever with normal cable, changed the grips around from those over there. The forks, just traditional Mafiabike forks, with the, I'm guessing it's Mafiabike front hub. Frame exactly the same. The only difference is back here and the bottom bracket housing. Oh yeah, and it has a Rush headset, and obviously, you know, hand little zip tie. Comes free in the package. Mafiabike seat, and it came with a rusty bolt. I don't know why. That's the bottom bracket. Just casual Mafiabike sprocket, cranks, one in a bit there. And then I have the Cyan LP pedals, kind of slim. Well, it's 3-piece crank as well. Back wheel, tyre exactly the same. Mafiabike rear hub, with hollow axles. Oh yeah, and it's got mini brakes, I guess. Yeah, that's basically it. It's a good bike. I've had it for about 5 weeks, I guess, 4 days. Yeah. Um, the only thing really is that the stem slips. So I always have to carry an Allen key with me. The original grips, the reason I switched them around is because the other ones wear down really quickly, and right here where my thumb goes, it was wearing down. I didn't really like it, and they were just a bit too long. So I like kind of, I don't know. These feel really nice. Yeah. So that's my bike check overlook of review, because this is going to be, when I upload it to YouTube, it's going to be the first Kush free review on the internet so far, apart from people that have bought it from website leaving reviews. But this is going to be the first video review. So yeah. Oh yeah, man, it's a KMC chain, obviously, like every bike pretty much. And then it's got what's like stickers. And I was kind of confused, considering it's meant to be the street edition. It's apparently saying it's meant for off-road use. I'd say ignore that. As soon as you get a different stem that doesn't slip, you know, not saying anything, calling you out, Mafia. And some different tyres. I'm hoping to get the United Swerve tyres from Source BMX. They look pretty good. Oh yeah, another thing. The rims are, the front one is double layered, well, 2 wall rim, and the back one's only 1 wall. But it seems like right here where the brake goes, it's kind of, the joint there is kind of cracking open, which is a bit of a worry. But apart from that, and as well, the spokes are a bit weak on the back wheel. The front wheel is amazing. I've trued it out of the box. It was kind of true. It had a bit of a wobble to it, but well, wobble, you know. But I sorted that out quite easily with the little spoke tension that comes in. kit with the bike, with the Allen key and everything. But the back wheel's a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. I'd say if you have money, buy a new rear wheel and tyres, because these tyres don't really grip very well. It's meant to be off-road, but I've tried them on dirt tracks, and every berm you go under you slip out. So yeah, this is my bike check review overview, I guess. Hope you enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.